Imagine the most violent explosion possible in the universe. Most of us picture a massive star detonating in a blinding flash of white-hot light. For decades, supernovas have been our baseline for ultimate destruction, events defined by this kind of radiant, visible light. But the true record holder for the universe's biggest explosion is completely invisible to human eyes. This event released roughly 5 times more energy than the previous record holder, dwarfing the power of even the most massive supernovas. If you looked directly at the location of this blast through a standard optical telescope, you would see nothing but black, empty space. To understand the universe's largest boom, we have to look past the limits of our own biology. This anomaly sits within the Ophiuchus Galaxy Cluster, a massive collection of galaxies hundreds of millions of light-years away. While mapping the ultra-hot gas that permeates the cluster, X-ray telescopes detected a bizarre, massively curved edge carved into the cloud. This sharp geometry suggested that the curve wasn't a random ripple, but the sheer wall of a colossal crater. Confirming the existence of that crater required looking through a completely different lens, radio telescopes. When scientists layered the radio observations directly on top of the X-ray data, the two patterns aligned to form a perfect boundary. By combining these invisible wavelengths, the full picture emerged, a massive crater born from an impossible explosion. At the very center of the Ophiuchus cluster sits a supermassive black hole. Black holes don't exclusively trap matter. Under extreme conditions, they can violently choke on incoming material and blast out twin jets of raw energy. This exact process acted as the powerful engine for the Ophiuchus eruption, sending intense beams of energy screaming into space. These jets acted like high-pressure hoses, hitting the surrounding thick, hot gas with immense force. The eruption functioned as a mechanical excavation. The outward pressure of the energy jets pushed the gas away, hollowing out a permanent, vast cavity. The biggest explosion in the universe was a slow, violent displacement of space by a black hole's energy jets. We can see the scale of the Ophiuchus eruption by looking at the physical void it left behind. To grasp the size of this cavity, we have to use our own galaxy as a unit of measurement. The cavity is so large that you could fit 15 Milky Way galaxies side by side across its diameter. This single event forces us to reevaluate our mental models of power and what is physically possible in the cosmos. It is a reminder that the universe is speaking to us in a spectrum of light that our biology cannot detect. The Ophiuchus eruption proves that the most profound events in our universe don't always wait to be looked at. They require us to build the right tools to listen.